a transparent case, Welcome back to my channel, guys. Guess what TV? It's your girl Felicia. Well, today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A70. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's get right into it. First look, we have the phone. We have the earbuds, charger, and this is a Type-C charger. Both sides are Type-C. Then we have a transparent case, quick start guide, warranty card, and we have it also in Spanish. Put those aside. This phone comes with a 6.7-inch display. To remove the card slot, open it. Here we have a charger. We're gonna plug right here, Type-C. And this is a earbuds. Nice. Very nice. Now the phone is looking very good. We have 3 cameras at the back, and we have our flash. This is the power button, and this is the volume rocker button. Up and down. Right. Then we're gonna power on Samsung Galaxy A70. Very good. Okay guys, this phone was released March 26, 2019. As I said, it has a 6.7-inch display, Super AMOLED captive touchscreen, 16 million colors. It has a resolution of 1080 times 2400 pixels, a ratio of 20:9. It has a Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and it comes with Android 9, which is Pie. It is upgradable to Android 10. It has an internal memory of 128 gigs, 6 gigs RAM, and it has a loudspeaker, Wi-Fi capabilities, Bluetooth, and most of all, the battery life. It's 4500 mAh non-removable battery, charging at 25 watt, fast charging, Type-C. Overall, I've been using this phone, and it's a very good phone. No problem so far. No problemo. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment.